Hello students, this is Asma Babani. Today I will give you summary of the poem The Last Bargain from Unit 4, Chapter 2. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why is it the best? Students, meaning of bargain is an agreement between two or more people or groups as to what each will do for the other. The other meaning of bargain is a thing which is bought or offered for sale much more cheaply than is usual or expected. Come and hire me, I cried, while in the morning I was walking on the stone paved road. Sword in the hand, the king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught, and he went away in his chariot. Students, in this first stanza, the poet describes that there is a man who is looking for work. The man cried and asked to be hired. While he was walking in the morning on the road filled with stone, then a king came on a chariot who had a sword in his hand. He offered him power in return for his service. The man felt that the king was not worth much, so he refused the king's offer. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with shut doors. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pondered and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighed his coins one by one, but I turned away. Students, the second offer came to him in the afternoon when the weather was scorching. He was surprised when he saw an older man with a bag of gold approaching him along the twisted road. The older man thought for a while and then offered him gold coins in return for his labor. The man did not accept his offer as he felt that gold could not buy everlasting happiness. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. Students, in the evening, the man saw a beautiful garden full of flowers and a fence of plants. A lady who looked after the garden came out and said she would give him a smile in return for his work. The man found that her smile was for a short time and would melt into tears. Subsequently, he refused her offer also. The sun glistened on the sand and the sea waves broke waywardly. A child sat playing with shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. Students, finally the man reached the seashore where the sun shined on the land and it seemed as if the sea waves were breaking the boundaries. A child was sitting there and playing with seashells. He raised his head and said he had nothing to give him in return for his work. The man accepted his offer as he felt that he would not have to compromise his freedom. Students, here the man is agreed to the child and not to the king or the old man or the beautiful lady because, as per his opinion, freedom is more valuable than power, money, or beauty. The poet of this poem is Rabindranath Tagore. Students, if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel Asma Babwani. Click on the bell icon to get the latest updates. Like the videos, share the videos and do comment on all the videos.